Once upon a time, in a sweltering summer, a wise old crow was feeling very thirsty. She flew over fields, climbed hills, and even soared through the towns, but every well and pond she spied upon had dried up under the scorching sun. Just as she was about to give up hope, she spotted a small garden with a clay pot of water sitting beneath a shady tree. Eager and relieved, the crow swooped down only to find that the pot was nearly empty, with water barely at the bottom. Her beak couldn't reach it. The clever crow scratched her head, pondering how to drink the water without tipping over the pot and wasting it all. Suddenly, she noticed some pebbles scattered around the garden. "Aha, I have an idea," she thought, her eyes sparkling with hope. With determination, she picked up a pebble in her beak and dropped it into the pot. Then, another pebble went in, causing the water to rise a little. The crow kept dropping pebbles, one after another. Slowly but surely, the water kept rising until it was high enough for her to sip and quench her thirst. The refreshing water tasted sweet, and her quick thinking and patient efforts paid off. After drinking to her heart's content, the crow fluffed her feathers, feeling proud and wise, and learned that with a bit of ingenuity and perseverance, even the hardest challenge can be overcome. She took flight, soaring high over the lands, and chirped back to her fellow crows about her little adventure, knowing that sometimes a little bit of patience and creativity is all one needs to solve life's puzzles.